Hi, welcome to another tutorial on the Campedia app, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at the follow me function. So really simple function, fantastic thing to use especially when you're traveling and you're looking for rest areas or what is around you. So if we look at it, you'll see in the center of the screen, if I scroll in here, there is the orange dot with a little fan, which is obviously my location, and that's why your location services, we ask them to be turned on. So what we want to do is get that orange dot to stay in the center of the screen while the map moves as you're driving. Really simple thing to do. In a search bar across the top, we click the little target button. That locks onto your location and the map will now move while the orange dot stays in the center of the screen. Now if I scroll in, as long as that orange dot stays in the center, then the location service with that little arrow in the search bar will stay on. If I scroll off to see what else is around and let go of the screen, you'll see it is automatically turned off. Now the reason for this is versus you trying to scroll and find something and then it keeps taking you back to your location. So again, just to reactivate it, let's just click on the target, straight back into your location. Now this works exactly the same in a trip section. So if you've got from point A to point B that you're traveling, where we map out the orange line along the roadway, you can actually see yourself driving along that road, and you might want to add in attractions or things like that to your trip along the way. So guys, that's the follow me function. Fantastic little tool, really simple to use, and it also works in offline mode as well. So alright guys, that's it, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.